Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. We're doing another Surron modification video today. We're going to be installing seat extenders on this Surron. So the seat extending kit that we're going to be using is from Milk Racing. Here's a kit right here. It comes with the necessary brackets, all the necessary tools, bolts. It's a complete plug and play kit. Shouldn't take you more than like 15 to 20 minutes to do the installation. We already did the peg drop kit on here. If you want to see that video, I'll put it on the top. What this seat extending kit does is it raises about 2.5 inches to the top and then about 1.5 inches to the back. So the first step you want to do is take out your battery from your battery case, which I've already done. And then the second step is to loosen up these 6 bolts right here, 3 on the other side and 3 over here. 1, 2, 3, and 3 on the other side. For this one, you're gonna need a 5mm Allen key, and then this one is a 4mm Allen key. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I took out these 6 bolts right here, 1, 2, 3, 3 on the other side. Make sure you keep these safe because you're gonna need to install the extender. The next step will be to take out these 2 bolts right here. These are the ones that are holding the battery case locking mechanism. So take these 2 out right here. And for me, I have to take out these 2 right here also, which is holding the shock protector or the mud guard. I did another video about this, installing this. I'll put that on the link below. So I'm gonna take out these 2 right here, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so after taking out all the bolts, your seat should be loose. Let me show you one thing right here. This wire was behind this bracket right here, so all I did was take out this screw. The wire is out, and now you have enough play to install the seat extenders. So the next step will be now to take your bracket right here, and then it's gonna go right here. Make sure the Milk Racing sign is facing upward. Use the same bolts that were on the frame. Use it for the bottom part, and then on the top part, use the 2 bolts that came with the kit. So I'm gonna do it on both sides, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and installed the brackets on both the sides. So on the bottom, you're using the original bolts that came with the Surron. On the top, you're using the ones that came with the kit. Don't tighten them all the way until the end. So the next step now is to put the bracket over here that came with the kit. This bracket right here. So these 2 will go over here, 1 and the 1 on the other side. And then I'm gonna install that right now, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so all 4 brackets are in now. The seat is nice and high and back now. One issue that comes up when you move the seat up and back is that the locking mechanism now lines up over here. So it's not locking, but that's okay. The last part in the kit is gonna solve that. And again, since we moved the seat now back and up, the battery is not gonna be not nice and secure over here. But not to worry, the last part of the kit again is gonna solve that issue. So let me just take out this lock-in right here, and then we'll show you how to solve that issue. Okay, so now that is out. And then the last part of the kit right here, this is the 3D printed part that's gonna solve the issue to both of those problems. So it comes with a bracket, it comes with a piece of foam, and this 3D printed part right here. So what you do is you put the bracket right here. This will go on like that. The screws are provided, and then this piece of foam is gonna go over here. So now when the battery cover closes, since the battery was not secure because we moved it up, this will rest on the battery. So now the battery is gonna be secure. The bracket, the locking mechanism is gonna be moved up, and it's gonna fit right in over here. So I'm gonna install that really quick. All right guys, we got the last part of it installed over here. The locking mechanism is nice and flush with the stock position. And the bottom over here is holding the battery down nice so that when you're riding, it's not shaking around. So now we got the seat extenders installed and the peg drops in the last video. So the bike is nice and high, much more comfortable riding position for a taller rider. We have both the seat extenders and the peg drops in stock. Let us know and then we can ship it out to you right away. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys later.